So we're doing some stump grinding here with Forestwest single blade stump grinder. This little thing, I mean, the company stands behind their product 100%. We had a couple issues, and Jason there is pretty good and got right on top of it and has helped us out. So if you're ever looking for a stump grinder, I'm telling you, this little thing does a hell of a job. Okay, Merrick, let her rip. The product is amazing for the price that you pay for it, and with the warranty and everything you get with it, you can't go wrong. I highly recommend Forestwest. Their single blade stump grinder is very good with the Ratto engine. I've done lots of stumps with this thing and no problems whatsoever that I haven't discussed earlier. Okay, have a good day. We'll post more later.